Now let us see what kind of structure we want to model for this chapter. It's blank here, but I will draw a 3D frame. Let's begin. So first I will draw a column and I'll provide fixed support. All the supports here will be fixed. There won't be any hinge or the roller support. Let me draw this structure. This is a column. I'll draw a beam and I'll draw the column again. I'll provide the fixed support. And here if I draw the axis, this is X, this is Y, and this is Z. Here you can see that I have gone in X, I have gone in Y. Now what we will do? We will go in the Z as well. And again, let us draw the columns. And here also, let us draw the columns. It's a very simple structure. Let me take this span as 5 meters. You can take any span you want. You can take 6 meters, 7 meters. It's up to your choice. And this span I'll take as 4 meters. And this span over here I'll take as 3 meters. Let's do this span as 6 meters and this span as 4 meters. It will be a bit more clear, okay? So I'll draw this as 6 and this as 4 meters. Here only we got columns and the frames. We will not have any slab over here, because drawing and designing the slab is very complex in Staad Pro, and while applying the load we don't need the slab at all. That is why we will not be modeling the slab in this structure as well as in the building. I'll do a different chapter that will incorporate only the slab portion. Right now the slab will be omitted. It will not make any difference in the design of our structural members.